In today's video, I'm gonna show you the best OBS settings for live streaming to YouTube to make sure you avoid any lag, any dropped frames, and to make sure you have a smooth live stream for your viewers. So let's get into it. By the way, my name is Sam. You're watching live production tips and tools helping you master live streaming. So right now we have everything. We have OBS open, and what we need to do, we have our camera and microphone. We need to go to settings here in OBS. First, we're gonna go to output, and in output mode, you wanna make sure it's actually set to advanced. Go under streaming, and then you wanna make sure you go to video encoder. Make sure you choose NVIDIA NVENC H264. This is your dedicated graphics card. If you don't have a dedicated graphics card, you can try X264. However, I do recommend 100% you actually get a dedicated graphics card because it's gonna make your life easier. Next up, for rescale output, you can leave it the way it is. So 1920 by 1080. So just make sure it's disabled. You don't need to rescale anything. Rate control, make sure it's set to constant bit rate. Now for the bit rate, you want to make sure you actually set it to 10,000 kbps. We're gonna be streaming in 1080 30 frames per second. But before you actually decide, because this is crucial, if your internet connection is not that great, you want to make sure you can actually lower this. So the maximum is 10,000, but I'm gonna show you how to check if your internet speed is actually good enough. So go to Google and just type in internet speed test. First one right here, you can go ahead and run your speed. The only thing that we actually care about mostly is gonna be your upload speed. Now, since we need maximum 10,000, we wanna make sure the rule is to have like double of 10,000. So if you have anything between 15 to 20,000 kbps or 15 mbps, you should be fine. So as you can see, mine is plenty. I have enough. Again, if you have anything between 15,000 to 20,000, it should be good to use 10,000. If you have less, let's say you have around 10, anything between 5 to 10 should give you a good quality. So try to use half of what you have available. That's like the general rule. Now keyframe, use 2S, and then preset, you can actually set to slow, slower best quality or slow good quality, still works. You can play with this and see which one works better. This is gonna depend on your computer. Everything else, guys, you can actually copy my settings. You don't have to change much. I'm just gonna leave my screen. You can just copy that and you should be good. Hit apply, and next we're gonna go to audio, and under audio, YouTube does recommend 44.1 kilohertz, but I've used 48 kilohertz and never had any problem, so you can actually keep it that way, no problem. And then back to output, and then go to this audio tab. You can go to track 1, and as you can see, my audio bit rate is actually 320. Why I set it to 320? Because 320 gives me the best quality. This is like the highest you can get, but guys, even if you go like to 256, you're still gonna get the best audio quality, no problem. So you can bump it up to the best, no problem. It's gonna give you something that sounds really good and super clean. Now the next thing we're gonna go to, we're gonna be our video. So under video, base canvas resolution, you want to make sure you set it to 1920 by 1080, and output scaled resolution 1920 by 1080. And the last thing is your common FPS value, so make sure you set it to 30 frames per second. If you are doing some sort of gaming, this is probably gonna be different. You're gonna have to set it to 60 frames per second, and you can go back to output and then streaming settings if you are gaming only, and you can actually bump this up to 12,000 kbps, no problem. So once you're done, this should give you a smooth stream. Now the next step is gonna be to go live to YouTube, and if you have never done it, I have another video that I made actually showing you how to go live to YouTube using OBS. So check it out, use these settings and apply what you see in that video, and you're gonna be able to have a really beautiful live stream on YouTube. So video is gonna be linked right here. Check it out, and I'll see you there, guys. Take care.